to my channel. It's your Chief Holistic Honey, and I'm here to encourage you to live, eat, and be your best self in mind, body, and spirit. Today, I am back with a juicing video, and I'm super excited because it's been a while. I'm challenging myself to do a 30-day juice spree. So for 30 days, I'm going to be posting a juice recipe every day on my Instagram, and I think I'm even going to start a TikTok. So that's how you know it's not me, because I've been staying far away from TikTok for so long because I know that it's a trap, but I feel like it's on my heart to do so, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to comply. So be sure to follow me on both platforms. I will put my handle like somewhere down here, put my handle down here, and make sure to follow, be inspired, save the post so you can make these juices as well, and let's encourage each other. Like, this is really a community for us to grow in our holistic living together. And today I'm showing y'all 3 different juices. It's going to be a green juice, a red juice which contains like beets, and then a orange juice. So I kind of wanted to give a nice variety of colors. You know, I might do like a juicing video where it has like maybe all beets, or it might be like an all red juice or like an all green juice. So if y'all want to see like a specific color video, let me know. Also, let me know like what your favorite fruit or vegetable is, so I can try to like incorporate that into my juices. I would love to know, so let me know down below. But let's get started. We have 3 juices today, and these are very simple juices, I would say. So all of the ingredients will be listed on the screen. So let's get through the 3 juices. Next couple of weeks, be prepared for a lot of juicing videos, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok so you can see what I'm up to every day on the juicing tip. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I am back on my juicing grind, and this is my inventory. I'm gonna do a quick overview. Got 2 pineapples, some apples, cucumbers, dates, card oranges. I love me some card oranges, some beets, some guava, some mint, some 2 Bosc pears, asparagus, some Hawaiian papaya. Trader Joe's did not have ginger, so I got these frozen cube ginger, and that's just what I have to do because I didn't want the Costco size ginger, because I just don't want it to go to waste. It's way too much ginger, and that's me as a ginger lover saying that. It was way too much ginger. Some bell peppers. I'm going to be juicing bell peppers for the first time, so I'm excited about that. Some lemons, some unripe bananas, some blood oranges. If y'all saw my last video, I am a newfound fan. Got some organic strawberries, some carrots, and I think that's it. So this is my haul. I got most of it from Costco, and then I got a couple of things, like got the beets, that frozen ginger, the beets, the mint, and the bananas from Trader Joe's. Everything else is from Costco, and I'm going to try to make at least 3 juices, so let's get into it. So this first juice is called Wake Up Sunshine. The benefits of the different fruits and vegetables that are inside of it. The carrots, it provides vitamin A, C, and K. It may help improve eye health. It can boost your immune system. It's great for skin and contains large amounts of soluble fiber. Oranges is high in vitamin C, folate, potassium, can help with inflammation, can help improve your heart. It's high in antioxidants. Lemon helps clear skin, it's antibacterial, helps detox systems, can help regulate blood sugar, and it supports weight loss. And then the yellow bell pepper, this is my first time juicing peppers. It's high in vitamin C, it helps boost immune systems, anti-inflammatory. And then my good sis ginger, it's anti-inflammatory, helps with deep bloating and digestion. We love to hear it. It may help alleviate PMS symptoms and cramps, which I can testify to that for me personally, and it's also detoxifying. So this is just a very great morning detox drink. It tastes nice and light. 10 out of 10 recommend. So this next one is a colon detox, and it has cucumber, pineapple, lemon, and ginger. So we kind of already talked about lemon and ginger. It's, you know, lemon helps detox, it helps regulate blood sugar, supports weight loss. Ginger, anti-inflammatory, debloats, detoxifies, helps with digestion. Cucumber, it helps balance hormones, strengthen bones. It has anti-cancer properties. It also detoxifies the body and can help boost immunity. And pineapple, it is high in vitamin C, can help with inflammation and pain, promotes healthy skin, and detoxifies the body. This was actually very tasty to make. Nice, clean. It'll get you cleaned out as well if you let it. But it's such a pretty green color, and I'm gonna let you ride it out with the vibes. And this last one is a beet-based juice. Beets, which is a great source of iron, it may help lower blood pressure, helps blood health, good source of potassium and other minerals, and can help increase energy. And the Bosc pear is high in potassium, may help support weight loss, improves immune health, may help build strong bones, helps with heart health. And then my good sis ginger, as always, helps with debloating and digestion, anti-inflammatory, and detoxifying. So I would say that this is actually a really good drink to have if you are a person with a cycle, because it has the nutrients that we need and are missing. It helps with blood health, so that's very important during that time. It helps with our digestion. I know during that time I'm usually more bloated and having more gut issues. And this was actually a surprising one of my favorite beet juices that I made so far. Highly recommend this juice. So I really hope y'all enjoyed the juicing video today. I took a poll a little while ago in my community tab, so make sure that you are subscribed and you're keeping up with the community tab, because that's how I communicate with y'all. But a little while ago I did a poll and y'all wanted to see more juicing videos, so I am incorporating that into my content for the next couple of weeks. So I hope you guys enjoy. And like I said earlier, let me know your favorite color to juice, and also let me know your favorite fruit and or vegetables so I can incorporate it into the juices that I'm going to be doing for the next 30 days. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe this channel for all holistic living. And you know, follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well, so you can see my 30 days of juices. I'm really going to stick to it, and I'm super happy and I'm super excited for this, because I truly love juicing. Like, it's introduced me to different fruits and vegetables that I might not otherwise eat. Like, say for example, in today's juice, I didn't even know what a Bosc pear was until I included it in my juice, and now I really like it, and it really turned that beet juice up. Like, even my husband said he liked it. So that's gonna be like, that's one of my new favorite juices that I'm going to keep in the rotation, especially on my cycle, because beets, as in my previous video, beets is really good, a good source of iron for that time of the month. So that's going to be one of my new go-to juices around that time of the month. So I'm very happy that I am, you know, just experimenting with the fruits and vegetables that was given to us, and you know, just relying on God's foods and not necessarily processed and, you know, sometimes toxic foods has been a journey. And I'm just relearning my relationship with foods, and I'm glad that I have a healthier relationship to, you know, fruits and vegetables, because it wasn't always a part of my diet for real. And so I'm glad that I'm going on this journey with y'all, and I hope that it encourages y'all to, you know, juice, even if it's once a week or, you know, once every other week, just incorporating more fruits and vegetables in your diet. I hope you're encouraged, and I hope that you are embarking on this holistic living journey with me, and let me know in the comments. And with that being said, this is the end of the video. I will see y'all next week, probably with another juicing video, and I know a lot of y'all are going to be happy. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, because I'm coming with another video next Tuesday at 9 a.m. We're on a schedule, so look out for the next juicing video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.